We have made our way to example 4, the angle addition postulate. So first, in words, if P is in the interior of angle RST, so here you see I have an angle RST, these are the sides of the angle, so the interior of the angle is in here, and P is in the interior, then the measure of angle RST is equal to the sum of the measures of RSP and PST. So if P is in the interior, then RSP, so this angle that goes from here to there, plus the angle PST, which goes from here to here, these two angles, if we add them together, we get the entire angle from here all the way to there. So hopefully that makes sense to you. This whole gap is equal to the size of this gap plus the size of that gap. Okay? Now in symbols, if P is in the interior of RST, so again, P is in the interior of RST, so it's in between there, then the measure of RST, so this whole big angle between these two sides, equals the measure of angle RSP, this one, plus PST. So this angle plus this angle adds up to the whole stinking thing, RST. So the red arc plus the green arc makes that whole blue arc. All right, let's put that into play here. So use the angle addition postulate. So given that measure of angle LKN is 145, so LKN, that's this entire angle right here, LKN. Given that that's 145 degrees, find the measure of angle LKM, which is this angle. Let me get a different color, just as they did above. So equals the measure of angle LKM plus the measure and the measure of angle MKN. So MKN would be this angle right there. Well, what do I know? The two smaller angles, the red one plus the green one, will add up to 145. So using the angle addition postulate, what I'm going to do is I am going to take the two smaller angles. So this red angle is 2x plus 10. And to that, I am going to add this green angle, 4x minus 3. And that should add up to equal the entire angle LKM, which is 145 degrees. Now, I need to solve this equation. So combine like terms, 2x and 4x give me 6x. 10 minus 3 gives me a positive 7. And that still equals 145. Now solve this equation by subtracting 7 from both sides. So if I subtract 7, I get 6x equals 138. And finally, dividing that by 6, I get x on the left equals 138 divided by 6, which is 23. Now all I did here was find out what x is. The directions say to find measure of LKM and measure of angle MKN. So let's do that. So first, the measure of angle LKM. Well, we knew it was 2x plus 10, and now I know x is 23. So 2 times 23 is 46, plus 10 would give me 56. So the measure of angle LKM is 56 degrees. Now, the measure of angle MKN, so the measure of angle MKN was given as 4x minus 3. Again, now I know that x is 23, so that's 4 times 23, which is 92. 92 minus 3 gives us 89 degrees. Now, if I did this correctly, I should be able to add these two together to get 145. And of course I can, so I'm pretty confident I did a good job there. That is the angle addition postulate.